you wanted to see this light beam in 3 dimensions and you don't have the software, there's always different online sites to do this. So if you upload the image to this site, and now we can see it in a 3-dimensional view. So as you can see, there's some light beams down there, within the bright light there. We've got one there. Organic solar cell or plastic solar cell is a type of photovoltaic that uses organic electronics, a branch of electronics that deals with conductive organic polymers and small organic molecules for light absorption and charge transport to produce electricity from sunlight by the voltaic effect. The function of the cytoskeleton is to move the cellular components from one part of the cell to another. These cellular components are called cargo and are often stored within vesicle for transport. You can think of the cytoskeleton as railroad tracks providing support and directionality inside of the cell. Organic solar cells basically comprise the following layers: first electrode, electron transport layer, photoactive layer, hole transport layer, and second electrode. In general, a solar cell absorbs light, separates the created electrons and holes from each other, then delivers electrical power at the contacts. And there you go, so you can use online tools to enhance your contrast and brightness and your scale of the images. Thank you for watching.